Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. I wanted to share with you guys today a little before the first day of back to school, and I did get a little bit of that morning. I didn't get all of it due to some issues with the weather and then traffic, and we ended up being almost 35 minutes late, so I ended up not being able to record the rest of it, but I did get some, so I wanted to share it with you guys today. So once I finished cleaning up the kitchen, I went ahead and started packing the kids' lunch boxes. And so you see here I'm using it's called a Yum box, and I got it off of Amazon. This one is actually the mini version, which I thought was going to work for my daughter since she's not really big on eating like a full lunch. But you can see that it totally was not working out for me. I am going to return this one. I may try to get the regular size, which is bigger of course, and see if that works out, just because I think it'll be more convenient for her. But in the meantime, I just went ahead and forgot about that and repacked her lunchbox. Then I went ahead and got started on packing my son's lunchbox. For him, I really just pack him breakfast, a yogurt, and some fruit. His sitter provides him with his lunch. As soon as I get the oatmeal made, I will go ahead and put it in the lunchbox also. So I always try to make them a batch of oatmeal for during the week for at least 2 or 3 days. The other days they'll eat pancakes or eggs, but most of the time it's oatmeal. So I'm curious to know, if you have kids in school, what is it that they like to eat for breakfast before they go to school? Or do they eat breakfast at school? Let me know in the comments. It is the morning of the first day back to school, and Mia is having breakfast. I am pretty much almost done getting ready. I got my eggs. I've got to put the kids' oatmeal away. Lunch boxes are ready.
Water containers are ready. I just have to do Mia's hair, and I think we're almost set.
So if you're wondering why my daughter is wearing an apron, is because she had already gotten dressed and she was eating oatmeal, and I did not want her to get any oatmeal on her dress. So we went ahead and put the apron on, and it actually worked out really well. So for my son, I normally just spray in some leave-in conditioner in his little curly head, and I leave him in his PJs because his sitter changes him when he gets to her house. So by the time that we are off driving, it still looks dark. It looks like we're driving the night before, not the morning of. And at this point, it is actually 6:15. I get to a sitter's at 6:30, and then from there, we head on to school. By the time that we have gotten to his sitter's house, he is exhausted. I think he was sleeping, so he'll probably go back to sleep when he heads on inside. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wasn't able to record once we arrived due to the rain and the traffic, and us arriving late due to the traffic, but it was a great first day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, guys.